ay it shapes public opinion, influences behavior, and affects how people see the world. Ang influensya daw ay ang media ay lubos na nakaka-influensya sa mga tao at sa mga opinion ng publiko sa loobin ng pag-uugali. And mini form is includes TV, radio, newspaper, magazine, website, and social media. Ang pagkaiba ng ibang mga format ng media ay nakakalimbag ng pagsimpapawid. Pagsimpapawid, digital ay nag-aalok na malawak na hanay ng mga estilo. And persuasive power is it uses tools like ads and propaganda to influence what people think and believe. Ito ang media ay ginagamit ng iba't ibang mga teknik sa pagkikayat kabilang ang mga apilas sa emosyon pag-endorso ng mga kilalang tao.
Be able to report about types of mass media. First, traditional media is one of the oldest forms of mass communication. It helps preserve and share culture and tradition across generations. It comes from the customs, belief, and practices of society. Like for example, folk songs, dance, stories, festivals, and local art. In addition, traditional media plays significant role for preserving cultural heritage and cultural practices by documenting history and cultural practices. Second is showcasing traditional forms like dance, music, and folks. And third is passing down story like myths, legends, and history. And last, fourth, it is preserving cultural language and dialects. Naman po sa print media, ma'am, it is shares information in printed form. It began with a printing press which made with a distribution possible, like for example, newspaper, magazine, brochures, journals, books, and comics. Print media, ma'am, play a significant role of our society because it's an easily to get an information through that news. But now, ma'am, we born technology. It easily to get an information through that online platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Chrome, or another platforms pa, ma'am. Noon kasi, ma'am, is nahirapan po tayo humahanap ng mga informasyon dahil nasa news lang, ma'am, at mahirap basahin kasi marami nakalatag. But now, ma'am, isang click mo lang sa mga online platforms, ma'am, lumalabas lahat ng mga informasyon through that helps of technological advancement. And lastly, ma'am, is broadcasting. Delivers audio and video content to large audiences through electronic media. Radio was vital during wartime for news entertainment, while television transformed communication with news, show, and live events. Just like, for example, ma'am, TV, radio, film, video games, and audio recordings. Broadcasting serves three broad purposes. It informs, educate, and entertainment, and political expression. So, broadcasting, ma'am, serves a lot of people, ma'am, because we easily get information, especially na political expression, ma'am. So, mga politika at politiko po natin, ma'am, ginagamit na po ito nila para ma-express ang kanilang mga interest. Hindi lamang sa mga politika at politiko, ma'am, pati na po sa ating mga sikat na mga tao dito sa Pilipinas. At dito lamang po nagtatapos ang aking report, ma'am, sa pagitan ng parts ng mass media. Ito po ay traditional media, print media, and broadcasting. At dito lamang po. Thank you, ma'am.
Broadcasting. Broadcasting is delivers audio and video content to large audience through electronic media. Radio was vital to report time for news and entertainment, while television transformed communication with news, show, and live event. For example, TV, radio, film, video games, and audio recordings. So, broadcasting is the distribution of audio or audio-visual content to one audience via electronic mass communication video. Kumbaga, gihapon siya og sending signals through the electronic magic spectrum, like radio and television, using one to many models. So, ang broadcasting can include various form of media like radio, television, and others. So, next is outdoor media. Outdoor media is called POVs or out of home advertising targets audience. Target or audience in public spaces. So, outdoor media is outdoor media advertising or out of home advertising include public billboards. So, one of mga example na riyan, billboards, banners, poster, and plastic. Feeding billboards is, ano na siya, kumbaga, modern large space walls, striking advertisement of located on rooms or in high traffic areas. So, example, na po daraan sa may STI, ba namin yung billboard daraan. So, mali siyang example, kumbaga, para kanang mas momentum din siya kung saan din siya na nadaraan sa mga lugar. So, ang next example na po daraya, yung poster. So, ang poster is, also siya ka-place in various locations like bus stop, train station, and yung public areas. So, kani siya, kung mga poster doon na pwede na ito makita sa mga transportation. So, next is transit advertising. Na example is, ano na siya, kumbaga, ads on bus, train, and also other form of public transportation. So, next is transit media rather. So, ang transit media is kumbaga advertising place on or inside a public transport where it help brand to reach individual as physical move around the city. So, ang transit media is a form of out-of-home advertising that is based on the advertisement in or the outside of physical such as the side of or above the set of bus. So, example is placement. So, ang placement, kumbaga, advertising on physical, example yung mga bus, mga train, or etc. And transit bus station. So, ano sila ang example nila sa transit media. So, kung hindi po din siya, mga format is can range from static poster and wraps to digital displays and audio receiver. So, one yung report and three types of mass media, broadcasting, outdoor media, and transit media.
Right, for the 6 types of media, we have here the new media. So if you say new media, it refers to digital forms of communication using the internet and technology. It's interactive and lets users create, share, and respond to content. Like for example, social media such as Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, websites and blogs, online Example na rin kaya na Facebook niya o Twitter. Image visit site. Visual content like image, infographics, and illustration is very limited in social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. Are built for sharing visual they're also showing interested in business products or user can directly through the app. Dari daw ka kuan ang pwede na daw dari ka kanang magbayad ka para business ko pwede ra nimo dari post o kanang gamit ka kanang rolling social media and Pinterest, Snapchat.
So today we'll be discussing about social media. So social media there are no fixed rules for using social media. So business can try different methods to see what works. So on social media there is videos well using social media, and also meron sa mga business owner you can also through posting they can maka-help din sila to makahanap sa mga customers. So however business are also use social media. So social media daw mas ready na talaga yung mga business owner naman. Responsible tayo using. So example natin using ang mga vlog. So mag-introduce niya yung ano niya, yung vlog ay yung product niya, kaya na siguro like yung katawan niya. So that's why na if you are also a business owner, mas better talaga yung responsible tayo using social media. Next, social media based information is process. It's also speculation. So social media guys more on information, and also madali siya maka-access sa mga fake news and which can cause fear and confusion. So in the Philippines, social media is a big part of daily life and self-expression, but it's important to use it responsibly and think critically about what is on the media. So ano naman is the Philippines is kumbaga yung social media is kumbaga yawan nila siyang campaign, and also kumbaga ang social media din sa Philippines kumbaga part na siya sa ating daily life, well using na vlogging, vlogging maka-involve din sila, and also social media di ba express yourself into posting, and also like kung saan tayo pupunta, but the most important talaga when using social media is maging critical tayo what tinatignan sa social media.
Influencers of social media and mass media to popular culture. The first, shaping trends. They spread music, fashion, design, and lifestyle trends within a wide audience. So, social media and mass media quickly spread trends in music, fashion, slang, and life to a wide audience. This helps popularize mood and styles, genres, and ideas, making it accessible to people worldwide. So, example is yung challenge na web viral on social media. And then second is creating celebrities. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and TV create influencers and start to shape our culture. So, these individuals have massive followings and can influence opinions, behaviors, and trends. So, kilala si Charlie D'Amelio or she is the one of the famous na TikTokers that we all know. And also, ito sa Philippines, kilala din natin si Usir na kilala bilang magawa ng mga content about love stories during high school. And third is spreading ideas. So, they influence opinions, values, and social movements through viral content and news. So, ito naman is trying to help public discourse, influence social movements, and raise awareness about important issues. Like the movement of raise awareness about sexual harassment and assault. And also, for the consumer behavior. So, as the content influence what people buy, learn, and follow. So, dito naman sa TikTok, yung mga influencers is kilala sila sa pag-review ng mga products para makingayan ng mga audience. Kasi kilala sila, of course, bibili yung mga audience sa kanila. And last, the global reach. So, they connect cultures worldwide, blending local, global pop culture. So, social media and mass media connect cultures worldwide, blending local and global popular culture. This facilitates the exchange of ideas, trends, and values, creating more interconnected world. So, direct maalaw ang access sa fans or mga audience sa pag-share sa ilang mga content na gusto nila like K-pop, music, and K-pop dance.